Welcome back and welcome to any newcomers to the Hugo Owens Middle School Choir, my 7th and 8th grade friends. I know my face might be a little different or new to you, but for those of you who don't know me already, my name is Mr. Elliot and I am the choir director here at Hugo. I was lucky enough to serve as a long-term substitute last year here, specifically the choir, and so I was absolutely thrilled to jump on the opportunity to come on board as the full-time choir director this summer. Our program is going to be growing by the year, and we are absolutely blessed to have you on board. All right, so here's a little bit of what to expect and what choir is going to look like this year. Choir is going to be held for 45 minutes for 7th graders and 50 minutes for our 8th grade students, 5 days a week. 8th graders, you're going to be having your class at the beginning of the school day during bells 2 and 3, and 7th graders, you will be during bells 4 and 5. We're going to be building on those great skills that you already started in your 6th and 7th grade years, but we are going to have to be very focused and diligent on catching up on anything we might have missed during that hectic year that we had last year. We will be having concerts this year. I'm so excited to announce that. We have one concert planned for December 9th and one concert planned for May 19th so far. There will be extra performance opportunities for your students, and I will give you plenty of advance notice on those. Parents, do not worry. I want you to be there for your kids. Please keep in mind that we are going to be having district choir auditions this year. That is going to be on November 6th. And for anybody who is unfamiliar with what that is, district choir is an opportunity for different counties in the area, including Suffolk, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Isle of Wight, and Virginia Beach, to come together, bring their students for an audition for a select choir. The cost for the audition is going to be $5.25. I'm going to cover that 25 cents extra, and it's going to be $5 even for your student to go ahead and audition for that. More information will be coming out to you very soon. And next up, I'm going to go ahead and break down what our grading scale will look like for this class. All right, folks, so up here to my right, you can see we have the 3 different categories that we will be using to help grade our students this year. They are the same as they were last year, and they're also the same across all grade levels and all subjects. However, what we use to help fill these categories might be a little bit different than what you expect from something like a core class. For example, in the assessments category, where a core class might use something like a large written test to help fill this 40%, I'm going to be using stuff like performances or your weekly participation grades to help build up this 40%. In the quizzes category, which is worth 30% of your grade, you're going to have things like your written quizzes or larger written tests, okay? This one is a little bit more of, it is what it sounds like, okay? And last but not least, we have our practice portion, which is also worth 30%. And this is going to include things like your written warm-ups or your written classwork. These are practice because they are helping you practice towards these quizzes, and the quizzes are helping you practice towards these assessments. Next up, we're going to be talking a little bit about what you're going to need for choir this year. All right, folks, really quickly, I just wanted to break down everything that you are going to need for choir this year. First and foremost, a mask. That should go without saying. You're going to be wearing that at all times throughout the day. Next up, you're going to have a black 2-pocket folder for your notes, your written warm-ups, and anything else that we might do in class together. I'm going to give you one of these for free at the beginning of the year. And next up, we have our beautiful Hugo A. Owens Middle School Mustang Chorus music folders. This will hold things like your sheet music and also your mechanical pencil that I'm going to give you at the beginning of the year. I expect this pencil to stay in the folder, and anything else that will be in the folder will be sheet music. Now, I will allow students to take these home overnight. There will be a sign-in, sign-out process for that. However, on most days, these folders are going to stay in the building, okay? And last but not least, I'm going to provide you guys uniforms for performances, okay? Those will be distributed sometime in the late first quarter or early second quarter whenever we have performances coming up soon. And the only thing that I ask you to bring to choir is please bring a 90% positive attitude. It's very hard to give 110% every single day, but if you bring me 90%, I'm sure that I can bring that 90% up to a 100%. Okay, I know this is going to be a fun class, and the only other thing that I ask you to bring is a willingness to try new things. I am a new teacher for you guys. However, I want you guys to be willing to try just anything and everything that I throw at you. Now, parents, I do want to go ahead and let you know about some dates where I'm going to be having Q&A sessions. The first Q&A session that I'll be holding is going to be Tuesday, September 14th. And that is going to be from 1 p.m. until 1:30. And my second Q&A session will be on September 15th. From 3:15 until 3:45. I look forward to seeing you. Bring some questions. I'd be happy to answer anything you guys have for me. But until I see you again, thank you all for watching this video. Let's go Mustangs. I'm looking forward to a great year.